You are welcome to learn Dagbani lessons. Today, we are going to talk about learning from Dagbani songs. This lesson discusses songs connected to traditional Dagomba occupations and their importance. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to sing songs connected to traditional occupations and discuss the importance of songs connected to traditional occupations in Dagbani. Traditional occupational songs are songs performed during the carrying out of tasks related to traditional occupations such as weeding, building a hut, roofing a hut, flooring the compound, weaving thatches, among others. Some examples of traditional occupational songs. We have Baa Lana Gbaaimi, which is performed during weeding. We also have Imoro, performed during weeding. Then Zuɣa Yila, which is performed during flooring the compound. Let's take a look at how Zuɣa Yila is performed by Dagomba women during flooring of the compound. Now, let's look at some importance of occupational songs in Dagbani. 1. It reduces fatigue or boredom. 2. It entertains the workers. 3. It allows for systematic work. 4. It attracts more hands to work. 5. It inspires fellow workers to work harder. And 6. It promotes our culture. These are some of the importance of occupational songs in Dagbani. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. Visit us on our social media handles below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Dagbani, and hit the bell button to watch new videos. See you in another lesson. Bye-bye.